तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे बीए, बीएससी, बीकॉम थर्ड ईयर के अंतर्गत फाउंडेशन कोर्स इंग्लिश के यूनिट फर्स्ट के चैप्टर सेकंड द वर्ल्ड इज़ टू मच विथ अस, जिसके राइटर विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ हैं। इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू देखने वाले हैं। तो चलिए ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 2 द वर्ल्ड इज़ टू मच विथ अस, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। चैप्टर 2 द वर्ल्ड इज टू मच विथ अस, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। Who is the author of the poem The World is Too Much With Us, William Wordsworth? What is the main theme of The World is Too Much With Us? The withering connection between mankind and nature. William Wordsworth belongs to the Romantic period in English literature. What is the meaning of the phrase the world is too much with us? We are engrossed in materialistic pursuits. What is the speaker's attitude towards nature in the poem Longing and Love? The world is too much with us was published in the year 1807, 1807. Why does the poet refer to Greek mythology in the poem? It contrasts the ancient connection with nature to the speaker's disconnect. What is the tone of the poem? Passionate. What is the purpose of the concluding couplet in the poem? To emphasize the speaker's desire for a closer connection with nature. How does the world is too much with us reflect the ideals of the romantic movement by celebrating the beauty and power of nature? How many Greek gods are described in the poem? 2. How many lines are there in the poem? 14. What type of a poem is The World is Too Much With Us? Sonnet. The two gods mentioned in the poem are Proteus and Triton, who wishes to remain as pagan in the poem. Wordsworth. Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. Wordsworth is also known as the poet of nature. Proteus is the god of Greek. The figure of speech used in sleeping flowers is simile and personification. In pagan religion, nature is worshipped. Some important objective type questions. Who wrote the poem The World is Too Much With Us? William Wordsworth. What is the main message of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? Humans should embrace nature. What is the meaning of the phrase late and soon in the poem Every Day at Night? What literary device is used in the phrase this sea that bares her bosom to the moon in the poem Personification? What does the speaker suggest about the relationship between humans and nature in the poem Humans are a part of nature? What does the speaker suggest about the modern world in the poem? It is indifferent to nature. What is the tone of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? Pessimistic. In what form in the poem The World is Too Much With Us written? Sonnet. What is the main theme of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? The importance of nature. What literary device is used in the phrase little we see in nature that is ours in the poem Metaphor. According to the poem, what do humans waste our powers on technology? What does the speaker suggest about the relationship between humans and the divine in the poem Humans are inferior to the divine? What does the speaker suggest about the relationship between humans and the past in the poem Humans should learn from the past? What is the meaning of the phrase late and soon in the poem Yesterday and Tomorrow? According to the poem, what do the sea and the winds represent? Nature's power. What does the speaker suggest in the poem about the people of his time? They are too busy to appreciate nature. What is the main theme of the poem The World is Too Much With Us? The dangers of materialism. According to the poem, what does the speaker wish to be? A pagan. What literary device is used in the line we have given our hearts away? Metaphor. What is the speaker's attitude towards the sordid boon in the poem Contempt. What does the speaker suggest about the relationship between humans and nature in the poem? Humans depend on nature. According to the poem, what is the mighty prophet's nature? What is the meaning of the phrase little we see in nature that is ours? We have lost our connection to nature. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपको अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।